subscribe with notifications on.
Then you can see what we really do. We're not gonna steal your house. Do you know us? No. You see the big house down there?
If you want to go out,
do you know Nafi?
This way.
Do you know anything about Nafi? Where you know the street where Nafi stays?
That big house there, it's our house. Yeah, that big house, yeah, it's our house.
We stay there. So it's not like we are from Joburg or we're just from here. So now just for you guys to be comfortable, so you don't think that we're gonna steal you, what are we doing? We're just from here. We just decided let's just go out and speak to people. Who's the man?
It doesn't matter. You don't.
Okay, start with him.
It doesn't have to be. You can. Okay, my brother, tell me something. Are you married? Are you not married? If you were to get married tomorrow, or maybe perhaps God blesses you one day, your life becomes better. You are able to stand on your own. You can buy a car, you can build a house and stuff like that. Now you think, you know what? Now it's time for me to get married.
Then
obviously you can't eat. You need someone to spend your lifetime with.
And then you get a chance to choose which country you wanna get married from. Then which one would you choose?
Which country would you wish to get married to? From which country would you choose to get a woman from? South Africa. Why South Africa? Why South Africa? Can anyone? Okay, for you on your side, where do you think you will choose for your man to come from? South Africa. Why South Africa?
Because I was born in South Africa.
In South Africa? Because you were born in South Africa. Okay, so you see, do you think that all South African men, they've got more qualities? Their quality of life is more better than the guys who are coming from Africa.
I think
not really.
Maybe it's because of comfortability, and you are comfortable at home.
Yes.
So it's scary for you to think about other countries.
Yes. I want to get married to a guy that's from South Africa.
In South Africa.
Yeah.
But don't you want to travel? Maybe sometime get married to maybe a Brazilian guy.
Yes, maybe.
Yeah, maybe travel. Just to go.
Or maybe you don't see it like possible, ne? That's why you're thinking South African, because this is home, I'm comfortable here, so why not?
Yes.
So this is the only option at the moment that she has. It's what she has now.
Exactly.
But if she were to get an opportunity to have access to other countries, then maybe she can think again.
Have you ever traveled?
No.
Not. You see? Let me tell you something. We as South Africans, we sit here in South Africa, we think, everything, it's okay here. There's nice things outside there, media. If you can travel one day, you can even meet your man from Dubai. You can even meet your man from Rome in Italy, or Barcelona, Spain, or Madrid, or Germany. You understand? One day, I pray to God to bless you. To bless you, so you can travel and see the world, so you can see how other people are living their lives. The thing about us South Africans, we don't travel. We laugh. We grow up here. We were born here.
Yeah.
We were born here. We go to school here. We start going to work here, and after we start getting a girlfriend here, and after that we get married here, and afterwards we die here.
That's why you end up criticizing other people who are coming from other countries, is because you never traveled. You don't know how it is to be treated that way.
Exactly.
So
you understand? So it's good to travel, my brother. Are you listening to? Are you getting my advice? Travel, my brother. The more you travel, your minds open up. Your minds open up, because for most of us South Africans, we tend to be stereotyped. You understand? We wanna grow here. We wanna be born here. We wanna build our houses here. We want to get married here. We want to have kids here. We want to build our houses here. Where's our lives? What's happening? So that's why I'm saying to you, maybe, you'll never know. Maybe, you'll never know. Are you getting my point? My sister, if you were to get married, which country would you wish to get married to? Which country? Which country? You're not sure? You're not sure? And you, my sister? Which country would you like to get married to?
South Africa.
South Africa. So you guys believe that South African men are the best.
Yeah, boy.
Okay.
You feel comfortable, yeah, man.
Also, you're okay because you wanna feel comfortable, like this lady was saying. They don't wanna get lost.
You know how many times I've traveled, and you know how many times I got stranded in other countries, guys.
It's an experience.
I got stranded.
It's an experience.
I got stranded. I don't wanna lie. I
Mm.
got stranded. I remember there was the time where I got stranded in Barcelona, and there was nothing I could do. And guys, I had to beg.
Exactly. You learn it's an experience.
So I think that's what they are scared for. Like being stranded in a foreign country, because it happens. Especially if you just go into the country for the first time and then you're not really like prepared about everything. But because you are in a hurry.
No, anything can happen. You know how we got stranded. Let me tell you something. We had money on our card, on a bank card, right? But now that bank card had no, had no name. It was a temporary card, had no name. So the Europeans, they don't accept a card like that.
Yeah, Capitec cards didn't have names before, so.
Understand? Some banks like I think it was Standard Bank.
I think was it not Capitec?
No, I think it was Standard Bank.
I think it was Capitec, but then Capitec that time they didn't put the name on the card.
So they refused to take our card. So we couldn't buy nothing. Imagine we had to beg for people to give us money on the street.
As I was begging, guys, I was only able to get $10.
Yeah. Only. No, 10 euros. It was euros.
Oh, it was euros.
Yeah,
10
it was
euros.
Yeah. But you learn.
My baby was so tired and she kept on asking me, but mommy, where is the car?
She wanted Daddy's car in Europe.
So we didn't have a car because you can't take your car when you go overseas.
Yeah.
Unless you've got a lot of money, then you can take your car with.
You understand?
Yeah.
So
otherwise, guys, I'm not complaining. I love traveling, and that didn't stop me from traveling. I'm still traveling, and I'm still going to travel because I just love traveling.
Exactly. It's nice. And my sister, which country would you wish to get your man to come from? South Africa as well? Ow! 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 This. But you guys complain about your men in South Africa. Why? But you still trust them.
I don't complain about the man.
Huh? But why these women are complaining about South African men?
He's sitting right there.
Oh! Okay!
I see.
You see now, if the man was not here, my man, you are the blockage. You see, we didn't get that.
You are actually keeping her well because you see now, she's like, I'm okay.
Well done, my man. My man, well done. Keep it up, my man. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep that woman happy. Keep her happy.
Wow.
You understand? Keep her happy.
Keep up the good work, guys.
Yeah.
How old are you?
Whatever 17. Whatever you are doing wonderful
17
job.
also, 16, 17, 21. But how is it? How is it?
Are you 21?
It was not the exact count.
Nah.
It's about love, man.
But is it working?
Yeah.
So you are 20, you are 21 and he's 17.
Oh,
And that is your girlfriend.
my.
How does it work?
But she respects you. Ne? Oh wow, that's nice. Wow.
Yeah, you see, my sister, the most important thing is not all about age.
It's the respect.
Understand? It's the respect.
Yeah.
As long as you respect your man, he will respect you and he will love you. My man, keep it
then
up.
You are turning 18 this year or next year? Next month you're turning 18.
It's about to be a man. It's about to be a man.
And you know what advice I can give you, ne? The only advice I can give you